Alrighty, jumping into this market and let's have a look. We've got a nice green day here for Bitcoin, and most of the altcoin market cap as well is following Bitcoin in the upward direction, which is pretty nice. Chainlink $14, it's going good. It's in a nice long position, I would say. And look at Litecoin, it's powering as well. Uh, Bitcoin's not going as good, but still, I mean, it hit 18,400-ish the other day, so it's just ranging at the moment. But oh, Ethereum's pumping. Ethereum 2.0 is coming, and it's only a couple of weeks away. And yeah, moon boots are on and strapped in with Ethereum 2.0. Buy the dip. Dips are for buying. You're over here on Binance here. I'm just on the BTC chart here, but we're mainly here to see what's moving against BTC. And look at this, we've got 27, 24, 20, 19, 17, 13, 13, 13, 12, 12, 10. I don't need to say too much more. Get yourself over to Binance, click the link below in the description section, and you get 10% off your fees forever, which is pretty good too. We'll look at Binance Card as well now. So they've announced that they've got Binance Card and zero fees, which is pretty cool with Binance, and getting a Visa card and getting that card out to the masses, and you can use your crypto to pay for anything, virtually anything that accepts Visa, and you're as good as gold with your crypto. So it's bringing it to the masses, and it's all gonna start happening for crypto in the next year or two. BTC, so we're just checking out BTC here. We're still in this kind of, oh, this is the alt cap, so we'll head over here. But this is dominance here, so dominance is in a bit of a falling wedge here, which is pretty nice. So if dominance keeps coming back down, hopefully we can come back down and test the 200 and also this support or resistance level. So it's knocked here, and come back down here. So if it can do that, then alts are going to absolutely fly. So alts will have a huge run, and it'll be pretty nice. And they are having a good run now while Bitcoin goes sideways. So alts are a good thing to be in right now, I would say. Total 2, you can see here is on the 4 hourly. We've got this nice little rounded bottom here kind of thing. So you can see here that this has been rounded and trending higher as well. So it's made a higher high, which is super nice for the altcoin market cap. So if that can keep pumping up, then Bob's your uncle. But looks like people are starting to take profits as well. So keep that in mind, that you want to be taking profits before everyone else. If it breaks this resistance again and holds it, and that we have a nice bounce, and this would be good for alts. Heading over to this news, Bitcoin price doubles since the halving, with just 3.4 million Bitcoin left for buyers. So, like, the scarcity of Bitcoin over the next couple of years is going to be intense. You can still buy it, of course, but it's double than what it was back in May, which is outrageous. And back in May, we probably thought that the price was outrageous as well. So Bitcoin is just heading to the moon. It's heading to the moon, and it's dragging everything with it. Now, we talked about YFI yesterday, Yearn Finance. It was down here, broke out to the top, and then bang, we've got a nice few percent there. So if you would have bought the top of that breakout, I mean, you'd be up 10%, or you would have had a possible 10% up. Starting to roll over on the MACD and also on the Stoch, and probably come out of the overbought section the on the RSI. So keep that in mind, and you might see a small pullback, but this looks like a nice little bull flag as well. If you roll back to the hourly on this one, then it's a beautiful looking bull flag just by the breakout of this top section, if that's what you want to do for a bit of fun as well. So you just draw those lines there like so. It's a bit of a funny one, so we'll come down to there, use the candle body closes, and buy the breakout. So it's coming back down. This 200 is going to be good support, and also you've got pretty reasonable support here, and it kind of lines up with this 50 as well, which is pretty nice. Those areas there. So watch that, watch YFI. Could get a nice bounce here, good entry point, and then back up again as well. Over to Bitcoin, it's just doing its thing. It's not really doing too much. at the moment either. It's just holding this, and it actually looks exactly like the dominance chart anyway. So it's just rolling here, and I would say it's kind of still rolling on this trend line, and it's retesting nicely. So boom, up here, and keep running up towards 19,000, first, and then 19,000, and then 20, and then all-time highs, and then strap in. Strap in for the moon. All right, if you like what I'm doing, give us a like, give us a comment, and subscribe. Thanks.